Recently, people are falling for a moon-rind vein target microneedle patch, and it's being marketed as a non-invasive solution that can supposedly erase spider veins and restore circulation using microneedle technology. The ads make it look like you can fix vein problems just by sticking on a patch, but here's the truth. Moonrind appears to be another overhyped scam product built on misleading marketing, not real medical science. So, quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purpose only. So now let's just break it down. So what the product actually it is. The main claim it does is they say this patch can reduce spider veins, improve circulation. But spider veins are not just surface level skin issues. They are caused by weakened blood vessels and damaged vein valves beneath the skin. Real treatments like sclerotherapy and laser procedures work internally. A patch placed on the surface simply cannot repair the damaged veins. You have to take in mind or keep a note. And another major red flag is the unrealistic results. They promise dramatic vein reduction and near instant transformation. That's not how vein treatment works. Spider veins do not disappear overnight from just a cosmetic pack. So, no, and also the marketing itself seems to be so suspicious. The website relies heavily on urgency tactics, emotional testimonials, and before and after photos that appear fake and AI generated or copies from other sources. They also are not real clinical evidence proving the product works, and it worse where many customer report subscription traps, recurring charges, refund problem, and poor customer support. Even more shockingly, nearly identical patches are sold on the platforms like Alibaba. You can find these patches, and they are sold there for very low price. And when you go to their official site, it is sold for so high price. So what is it doing is it is like doing just rebranding and selling it as a medical breakthrough. So let's be clear, Moonlight will not erase spider veins or magically restore circulation. It's just a cheap cosmetic patch being sold with exaggerated medical claims to make it easy money. If you have seen this product or tried it, share your experience in the comments. Like the video, subscribe and stay alert because many online health products are built on fake promises rather than real science.